Hi, I'm Christy with Yanmar America. Today I am going to show you how easy it is to install the new canopy that comes standard with our YM3 tractors. To install the canopy, simply line up the groove at the rear of the frame with the front slightly elevated. Then just lower the front of the canopy until it locks into place. Next, check to make sure it is secure before taking off. Travel at speeds above 30 miles per hour requires removal of the canopy. To do this, simply unlatch the canopy and raise it from the striker plate. If you need to do backhoe work, don't worry. Simply follow the simple steps to attach this to cover over the backhoe seat or other rear-facing implements. That's a wrap. Thanks for watching. Like and comment below if you like this content. For more information, consult your operator's manual, ask a local dealer, or visit us on the web at yanmartractors.com. If you're already an owner, be sure to visit us at yanmarowners.com.